Hello, and today visiting another client, Paul and Vanessa, and they're building their dream house, and it looks amazing, beautiful, and nice, modern, very clean line. They have their builder keeping things moving, and just wanted to make a recording of the process and see and show how the house looks like now, and then see the before and after the process. So this is going to be the fireplace, nice wall unit, kitchen area. Everything is ready wired. So we have we're gonna have the fridge, hood, double oven, sink, dishwasher, and this is all pantry wall. So all of that is here, and there's an idea of kind of electrical inside the pantry. Lots of nice natural light. This is going to be one of the closets. Again, we're still working on the designs are done, but we don't know if we're going to be doing the closets. And very nice bright bedroom with a beautiful bathroom with walk-in shower. And so that's the main floor. Bedroom. Again, lots of natural light. Closet. Another built-in closet. Nice location of this laundry cabinet. So washer, dryer, sink, and some countertop for folding. One of the bathrooms, double sink, vanity, toilet. Beautiful, nice modern gray tiles. Love the tile, the details of the house, and another huge window, very big window, lots of light, lots of LEDs with a nice big large walk-in closet, huge walk-in closet. So lots of storage, makeup desk, you know, kind of his and hair area divided in the middle. Probably all of it is in the hair area, but it's that's how things go. And then we have another vanity, double sink with the pantry, so lots of storage, beautiful freestanding bathtub, and then walk-in shower with the bidet, or the toilet. Sorry, the toilet is there, not the tub. The tub is already here. So just doing the final measurements for production, and just love the little details of the modern design, natural lights, very cool. Lighting for the stairs, lots of little things. There's a lot of light in this house. I'm just going to check out the basement just for... Oh, this is nice and cool in here. It's super hot upstairs. So it looks like another place. Nice big basement. Another bathroom. Mechanical room. And a bedroom. Looks like another laundry in the basement. Yeah, so basement doesn't look that big, but the house does look very spacious. So it's well designed, well planned out. It looks big on the outside. The main floor is big kitchen, and then you see the footprint is not that big, but the layout of the house and the brightness is very amazing. So pick your designers properly, and you'll have a beautiful space. So let me measure the kitchen, and yeah, ready to go. Start this design. Excited to be part of the process of the dream home, and yeah, let's see. Let's get the details and let's get this party started.